Welcome back Psycare fans. Today we are embarking on an exciting journey on a hidden gem near Chiang Mai. So let's go and explore. A place where nature's beauty meets tranquility. Join us as we explore the stunning Mesa Waterfall.
To reach Mesa Waterfall, we are taking a scenic drive to Merim. Follow me as we turn left onto Mering Samoeng Old Town Road, heading towards the Botanical Garden. The road sign is easy to spot and soon we'll be in for a treat. For a treat, as Mesa Waterfall features a total of 10 levels. The sound of the rushing water and the cool shade of the trees create an inviting atmosphere at Mesa Waterfall. Whether you're an experienced hiker or just looking for a leisurely stroll, this 1.5-kilometer hike to the top is doable for everyone.
Fifth level already! Woohoo! Guys, how beautiful and majestic the fifth level of Mesa Waterfall is.
We have arrived on a weekday to ensure a more peaceful experience. Mesa Waterfall is a well-loved spot by both tourists as well as locals. If you prefer the tranquility of fewer visitors, weekdays are your best bet.
Wow, I can feel the waterfall breeze over here. Literally we have reached the top level almost, and I'm super happy that we did it. Check this out. We've made it, guys.
Please be mindful that if it has rained recently, the path can get slippery. Take your own sweet time and enjoy this beautiful Mesa Waterfall.
And that's a wrap on our adventure to Mesa Waterfall. If you're in Chiang Mai and craving a place to escape the heat, then this is a place to be. Thanks for joining us on Psycare. Until next time, stay groovy, explore nature and keep the positive vibes flowing. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell to keep up the latest videos.